All right, sixth graders, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone had a wonderful spring break as much as you can have one. Right now, I know it's a lot of staying inside, not getting to do as much as you wanted to or see your friends. I had the same experience, but I hope you had a nice time getting to kind of take a break and kind of wrap your head around everything. I know that I did. It was nice to get to actually have a break and enjoy things and not be too stressed out or worried about everything. Get some cleaning done, and I did honestly watch a whole lot of Netflix too, which was kind of nice. So today, just bringing you back around into school. There's another video that I made kind of talking a little bit about how to turn in work on Google Classroom, just because we're really going to try to make a full move to that. That's just the easiest way for me to grade things and get it back to you, give you feedback, and for me to see who is and is not completing work. Huge reminder, you guys, I know a lot of this is a lot, and I know every single family has a different situation, and we're really, really understanding of that. The two biggest things I want you to really focus on first is your young authors and your science fair project. I know it's not always the most fun or the most ideal, but that's definitely something that you guys really need to focus on. From there, really make sure you're doing your math and reading. Just read an hour a day. Read. That's going to be the most helpful for long term. But just make sure that that's stuff that you are doing. If you have trouble getting things done, or it's just too much or anything like that, please reach out, let me know, and we can work something out. So our first math number 1 assignment today is going to be order of operations. We've gone over this before earlier in the school year, but just as a quick reminder, remember, this is the whole PEMDAS thing. You did it with Mrs. Gonzalez last year. You've done it with me. Starting with, you do the parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So this example right here is your first problem on your worksheet, so you're welcome. So you identify, okay, you have to look. First thing, are there parentheses? If there are, that's what you're going to solve first. From there, you look, okay, are there any exponents or any other parentheses? And if there's not, you can move on to the next part, which is multiplication and division. So you only see that there's only multiplication here, so you can go ahead and solve that. And then the last piece is, because you don't have any more multiplication and division, you can move on to the subtraction and find your final answer there. Now, these are going to be really straightforward, simple order of operations problems. There's only about 10 of them, I believe, so really easy to manage. If you have any questions, please just send me an email, reach out on Google Classroom, and I can hop on Zoom or Google Hangouts with you, and we can take care of that. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be working on area and perimeter in a video, and then the third day we're going to do our combining like terms. Okay, so just keep an eye out for those things. I'll try to send out an email each day. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know, and that should be it for today. So try to work on your young authors today, math number 1, and a little bit of that science fair. Okay? All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. Bye.